Well guys, nice all that, the unboxing and the assembly, and I think it's time for testing, because the most important thing for a tool is the testing to see how it can perform. We're gonna find out together how good it can drill with the help of the laser at the wood and at the metal. Now I have just plugged it, let's see how it sounds. The noise is coming from the up here. Well, this is tight enough, but we've got some noise. And very quick-ish stops with the push of the button. And with the emergency. Yep. Now first I will try on a wood. Let's install the drill. With a key. Nice. Now I have adjusted the depth stop to 35 millimeters. I have this wood, it is 4.2 millimeters the thickness. Let's install it here, tight enough. Okay. The angle of the base, it is in 0. Turn on the laser. And now we can adjust the laser. Let's put the base here. Tighten very good. If you want, you can do some adjustments. Bring the vise more outside. Make the adjustments for the laser. And I think we are in the correct position. Now, let's turn it on. And the depth stop, it stops us and it cannot go further. And we can see precisely it didn't go all the way outside. Nice. Now let's drill other hole. We need to go all the way out. And again, adjust the depth stop. Now put it on maximum, we don't care. Take your time to have a better result. Perfect hole. Nice. Now we can try other drill bits. Take this out. We can try this. This is a 12. Some adjustment because this drill bit, it is larger length. Be careful because you need to align it correctly in the right position, because otherwise you will hit at the metal of the vise. again, nice. It needs a little bit more. That means the depth stop, it is in maximum. Now let's try the other larger one. This was a 12, this is 14. Nice. I would like to rotate this drilling band, and I will rotate it on 10 degrees. The screw is tight enough down there. Unscrew the drilling bands. Make the adjustments. I will change the drill bit. This is a 10 millimeters drill bit for wood. And let's use this wood. Tight enough. And again, you need to align it again to bring it upper. That's for you need to unscrew the bands and bring it here. Check the angle it is in. Okay, 10 degrees. Laser alignment is okay. Because it is an angle, take your time. And yes, I can see inside it goes 10 degrees angle. Nice. Now I think it's time to test it on a metal. I will start with this 12 millimeters thickness metal drill bit. Let's put the angle on 0. Take this metal. Make any adjustments. Laser, I can see it is in the right position now. Okay. Take it slowly. If you need, you can use it a little bit of oil. And there we are. There's a large hole up and down. Now let's use a smaller drill bit. From the 12, let's go to the 6. Very easy, you can drill it out. Now I would like to use a cylindrical tube. For that we need to move the vise outside. Okay. Slowly to find the point. And success. And the laser, it is in the right position, is pointing the right position. Well guys, that was end the testing about this Parkside bench pillar drill. What do you say? You like something like that? You need to buy it to have it to your workspace. Well, for 80 euros, I think it's doing a great job. I think it will do the job. I don't like because it's moving too much here and we'll get some noises. I hope in other model they will fix that. Or you can put some rubber around and then the noise, maybe it will be lower. But overall, for 80 euros, I think it's worth the money for some DIY projects to work with that at the time that you need and make some precise holes at the wood and at the metal. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like what you like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.